Hey, can you tell me anything about cars?
Yeah. If you spend this much time recording yourself and your cars, you're probably gay. So you can record a fucking video? Your car's already clean, bro!
You got some... you got some bird food. One more time.
What? You're probably gay. You're probably gay. Start recording! Right now.
He doesn't know what the lawnmower squad is.
How diverse your squad is?
No, the lawnmower squad.
Boys.
Ooh, fresh wash. Out here with the boys. Q gang.
You top end, most likely.
What are you waiting for him?
Your mama?
Are we all gonna send a squad out?
Okay, bro. It breaks so hard. The tranny just drops
Oh
at the
shit.
bottom.
Subi.
Why does it stop? Stop, boys. You gotta stick at the
What's up,
run.
bro? You got sick of the run.
Huh? ¿Sí van exhausted? Any classes in your rims?
Hi, Sean. Bye, Sean. Oh, pussy.
It actually does so much shit now.
What?
I'm not even straight.
Hey, can you tell me anything about cars?
Yeah. If you spend this much time recording yourself and your cars, you're probably gay.
Probably has the coronavirus.
I probably do.
Can I put you inside the trunk? Can I put you inside the trunk?
No. No.
Celine was in there.
She's Hispanic.
We'll find you a car.
I'ma cover her body with stain. Gotta keep me in pain, they say. I'ma drip all the way to the bank. Thought I told you that's another lane.
My stomach, bro.
You fit in there?
Barely.
Huh?
It's gonna take a while.
You rolling back right now? Fat ass?